Hello, this is Edgar with Joe's Game & Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your aux port on your Bose NC700s. And the tools we'll be needing for this operation. First off, soldering iron. And every tool I'll be showing right now, we have on our website to do the repairs yourself. Soldering paste, just for the soldering points to be clean and no solder going everywhere. T6 head, Phillips 2.0, a pry tool, and I use tweezers. No one has to use tweezers, you don't need tweezers, but I use them. As I say in every single video, I got fat fingers, so it's a little harder grabbing wires sometimes. The aux port is located on your left side. If I can get a good little close-up of that. Right there, boom. First, we'll pop off the ear pad, nice and simple. Put your pry tool in there. Usually when you get 3 pops like that, you can pop her right off. Then you'll be taking this off. You have 4 screws. I took 2 screws out already, just for the sake of time. And then I put a strip screw in here just to show you what you do if you have a strip screw. This is a T6 right here. And we'll go pull this one out right here. Like any screw, pop this one off. Now you'll see, I can't get this one out because this one's stripped. And the number one way with these T screws is usually if you strip them, you just go a size or 2 up. This is a T7, and you'll be able to get it right out. So that's the fix for most screwed, or not screwed, technically screwed, you know, that screw is screwed, but strip screws is you go a size up. If it's a Phillips head screw, then you're in trouble because once that strips, there's too much you gotta do to get that one out. But T screws are nice and easy, which is awesome. Put the T6 back in there. Now we'll be able to pop this up. This is another time to make it easier. You can use your pry tool. Pop that up like that, and be careful because it is sitting on some tape, and it's sitting screwed in here, soldered on, and it has a ribbon, so if you pull too hard, you'll snap that off. You know, no more repair for you, no more headphones. First, you want to pop this ribbon off just to make it easier on yourself. Here's your AUX port. Got 2 ribbons on each side and 2 screws.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repair so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
Boom, you got those off. Now with your pry tool, you can pick this up like this, and then I use tweezers here. My fingers are small enough I can get down there, but you pull one ribbon out, and then this ribbon you can just hold down, pull out like that. You grab your new aux port. Now you want to place the left ribbon, I think left side, yeah, left ribbon first. It's the harder ribbon because it's taped onto here, and you don't want to remove the tape and then it sit around, so when you put the speaker cup back on, you mess up the ribbon. You want to pop that in. Once that's popped in, you can place this down. This ribbon will go in after. Pick it up and over. Now you want to screw this back in. Just make sure the port is sitting in the correct spot. Want to get this nice and lined up. There you go. Make sure it's lined up with the hole at the end right there. You can see all the way through. Screw it back in. Now you want to place this ribbon back in. This is why I use tweezers. This makes it a lot easier to put it initially in. That honestly, if it's easier for you, you can put both ribbons in before screwing it back down, but that's just the way I do it. Now ribbons are back in. Now you can place this ribbon also back in its spot, which is right there. And I use these a little bit to make sure it's fully in there. Now when you're placing this down, make sure you're looking at the wires to make sure they don't go over these. They go all the way down. So when you're screwing it back in, you are not squishing or screwing down your wires. And just like that, you're back down, grab your 4 screws, and away you go. Wait, I put the wrong one in. That's the stripped one, that's okay. Put the T7 on, that one's in. Nice. Man, I made this seem a lot more difficult than it really is. But you know, sometimes you gotta pretend like it's not. It's my first time doing this to not make it look too easy. And there you go, you've replaced your AUX port. Now, to place this back on, usually you can just place it back on and put your ear pad over it. No problem, it won't move. But if you want to feel more secure, you can remove this tape, use a flathead, or pry tool, you can remove the tape just like that and place new tape. The main piece of tape you need is here, here, and here. This one's not really needed, but if you feel comfortable, put tape in the 5 spots you see your old tape at. You place this on top like this. Your pad's sitting on clips. Nice and easy to see. It's in here, doesn't even move. And that's how you replace your AUX port. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.